Do you think we can survive this blizzard? Yes or no?
Yes.
I think no, because look at out there. That's a lot of blizzard. Like a heap of snow out there. I'm not going out there. Do you think you will go there? Good luck. You're gonna need it. Cause that blizzard is way too much. I'm lucky I didn't have to go to school. But I don't know about tomorrow. Can I come in?
What do you want?
Just ask you a few questions.
Come back later. We're eating. I'm eating. What do you want?
Hi. Here's this heap of snow coming down. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm too fabulous. This is really bad. Oh my god. And some dude's going to work. My god, that's stupid. Fine, good luck with that. Look at all this snow. My god. My god. Oh my god. This heap of snow. Look at the train is going. Oh, you're gonna die, train. Look at this. And it's worse back in the front. My lord. I can see like 2 cars come out. Driving in. This is bad. And a bus. Look at this hype of snow. Look at all this snow piling in. It keeps showing. It's gonna keep piling back and forth. God. Praise to Jesus God. As the snow stop. It's gonna keep going and going. God. I don't think tomorrow will be on school, man. This is bad. This is really, really bad. This is worse. This is the worst blizzard snow I ever seen in my entire life. I don't think so. I don't think so, people. Look at the snow. Look at it. You wanna love it? You think I can go outside this? No. No. I ain't going in the snow. No, I'm not going. You hear me? I'm not going. I ain't going in the snow. I am not going. No, I'm not going into the stinking snow. Heck no. Hopefully my butt talks in the snow. Leave a like and a comment in the freaking computer so I can see it. And leave a comment down below. Smash that like button. And subscribe 10,000 subscribers, please. This is really bad out there. It's truly bad out there. Peace.